Should. He should be careful. He should be careful. Can. They can watch TV today. They can watch TV today. To mean. What does he mean? What does he mean? To put. I put the tablet on the shelf. I put the tablet on the shelf. To need. She needs help. She needs help. To follow. Many people follow me. Many people follow me. To learn. She learns English. She learns English. To understand. He understands nothing. He understands nothing. To sit down. She sits down on the chair. She sits down on the chair. To begin. The movie begins now. The movie begins now. To try. She tries to sleep. She tries to sleep. To run. She runs on the street. She runs on the street. To fall. The leaves fall from the tree. The leaves fall from the tree. To belong. The stuff belongs to them. The stuff belongs to them. To offer. I offer her a cigarette. I offer her a cigarette. To receive. She receives a package. She receives a package. To meet. He meets him. He meets him. To imagine. She imagines the future. She imagines the future. To reach. He reaches his goal. He reaches his goal. To carry. He carries the cross. He carries the cross. To lose. He always loses. He always loses. To accomplish. She accomplishes everything. She accomplishes everything. To recognize. She recognizes him. She recognizes him. To develop. They develop an app. They develop an app. To start. The race starts now. The race starts now. To interest. That interests her very much. That interests her very much. To remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. To study. She studies medicine. She studies medicine. To watch. She watches a video. She watches a video. To miss. I miss him. I miss him.